Now is the best time to apply for schools in the United States if you want application fees waiver and if you want a scholarship. You can actually get admission in any of these schools with free application fees and with scholarship before December 1. So if you want to study in the United States as an international student, I'm going to share with you the details for this particular university. Okay, so let's go. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Linda Eze. I'm a registered nurse. I worked in the UK for a while before moving to the US. So here I share information about nursing abroad, getting jobs and studying abroad. And I also talk about remote job opportunities that are available for everyone worldwide. So if you're interested in any of those, be sure to join the family by subscribing. So the name of this school is called Ball State University. So I'll just go straight to their financial aid and scholarship. If you go there directly, they have first year student scholarship, they have transfer scholarship, and they also have international student scholarship. So if you go here, they say that Ball State offers scholarship that outstanding international high school and transfer students can explore. So some of you that are asking me about transfer, yes, so many universities in the US, depending on the course of study, you may be able to transfer your credits from your current university in your home school, in your home country, to a school in the United States. So the first of this scholarship is called Global Achievement Scholarship. Okay, so they say international undergraduate students can receive $12,000 a year for 4 years, a total of $48,000. They said that Ball State Global Achievement Scholarship student must maintain a cumulative grade point average of 2.5. If the GPA drops below the 2.5 at the end of the spring semester, the scholarship will not be renewed. But if the cumulative GPA is raised to 2.5, then it will be renewed, which is really cool. So $12,000 a year. If you are able to meet a certain standard, then it can also, you can receive a total of $48,000 in your 4 years of study, which is really very cool. So they also have this one, the Global Distinction Scholarship, for those awarded beginning with the 2023 spring semester. International undergraduate students can receive up to $14,000 a year for a 4-year total of $56,000, which is really cool, guys. Every year you receive some form of assistance towards your tuition, which is really cool. So as far as you meet up to 2.5, most people are able to do that. So as far as you meet up to this 2.5, you are likely to renew it every year. Okay, so this one as well is international students can receive $16,000. That is the Global Honors Scholarship, $16,000 a year for 4 years, so a total of $64,000. This is really cool, everyone, and it's for 2023. So guys, do not even slack. If you want to study in the United States with scholarship, this school is a school to actually look into. And they actually have nursing program here. That is how I found them. Of course, they have nursing program here because right now I'm researching nursing programs in the United States, because many people are asking me how they can come and study nursing over here. So that is why I am exploring these opportunities, and once I see them, I'll be like, this is available to 2023, let me just share, because I don't know who is watching this video and who this is going to help. Really, the most successful videos that I've made here on YouTube is not really about the views, it's about people messaging me, telling me that they got this and got that. And even my own family members, they have actually benefited from a particular information I share here on YouTube. One of my immediate family, they already moved to UK with family from the information I share here. So guys, I don't joke with the research I do to come and share in this channel at all, because I know it is helping people. And if I make mistake, let me know and I'll correct it. I have made my videos private before. When people try to disturb me so much, I have made my videos private. I will apologize. These are my research, but if there are mistakes, just let me know, because I know we all learn every day. Okay, so let's explore about the school more. So if you go to this place, how I found them, so if you go to their main page, okay, you will find everything, admissions. Like if you go to prospective students, that's how I found this page. Okay, so you go to admissions, and then this is if you're already admitted. If you go down in there, you'll be able to see international admissions. So if you go to international admissions, you see the scholarship that they have for international students, the one we've already talked about, and they say that Bos State considers all international undergraduate freshmen and transfer applicants for scholarship. They consider everyone, so no separate scholarship application is needed. Scholarship is valid for only international undergraduate students paying out of state tuition. So see, they consider everyone, automatically consider you if you are studying with them, if you apply. Okay, so one interesting thing I want to show you though is that they have international admission specialists that can guide you throughout the process. Though they are here to answer your questions, international admissions, this person, and they are here by 8 to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. You can send them an email, you can send them a WhatsApp message, you can call them, and they'll be able to guide you throughout the process. So be careful when agents say we are going to do this, we are going to do that, especially if they are charging more. The agents are charging you for this. You can actually do this by yourself. Okay, you can do this by yourself. Ask them all the questions and they will guide you. If you get stuck along the way, you can also ask them. So this is really cool. Another thing is that they also have requests for information, contact us, apply now. So if we click on this apply now, let's see. They have, thank you, our international admission will assist you throughout your application. Download our international brochure. They also have their, so if you say undergraduate application over here, you say you can create an account and you start applying. It's really a good process. Like, it is not complicated at all. It's not complicated at all. Don't be worried about the English language. So many of these schools, if you have your NARIC certificate, they might be able to accept that, especially if you studied in English. A lot of these US universities that accept our Nigerian English certificate, I've shown you in my previous videos where they say that they accept Kenya, their own type of WAEC that they study there. They also accept WAEC. That's the WAEC result that has English as a B. They are going to accept that, which is really good.